here in Raleigh. The crowd here, largely Hurricanes, some black and gold, as we await the arrival of the home team and more noise. Matt Grizzly starts with Charlie McAvoy. Grizzly taking the position normally held by Zdeno Chara. Fourth line against fourth line. Michael Ferland is out there for Carolina, along with Greg McKegg and Brock McGinn. And feeding it on back was Hamilton. Ferland, close quarters, had that one knocked down and swept along and carried back up by Markstrom, who moves on in. Shoots one, and that one is stopped and then pitched aside by McElhinney.
Well, the Bruins much more aggressive right now in the penalty kill, especially with Char out. They don't have that physical element aside from Carlos, so much more aggressive right now.
Pesce a shot and calmly grabbed and held the first shot on this power play. Got it to Johansson, and he's able to slip it across off the stick of Heinen, brought on by Clifton, and the shot is patted away by McElhinney. Moving back is Slavin, rushed out there by Marchand, who got it, wanted to get it to Bergeron, but the McAvoy save, rebound, Marchand, save made by McElhinney. Ring 10 bells on that one.
Wow. What a save, or saves I should say, by Curtis McElhinney here early on in this game. Good puck retrieval by the Bruins. The initial shot, and then the rebound. Watch this glove. That is something else right there by McElhinney on the feed by Bergeron. The little feed, the push across, and boy, what a terrific save there by McElhinney.
Followed up now to Hamilton, fakes the drive to the outside. Hamilton is shot, and getting a piece of that was Rask. 5 for the last 10 of the Bruins on the power play. Here's fed on to Marchand. Marchand got it to the back, and it is Krug with a shot. Glanced off of McElhinney and went wide. Able to move back up with the puck, away from Teravainen. Krug able to gain the zone quickly. Lobbed one ahead. That is Marchand. Up to play. Out from Bergeron around. Over to Pastrnak to Bergeron. Couldn't get it away because in the way was McElhinney. My goodness.
Season none on the power play, so you can see that he's had to earn his goals during the regular season.
Here comes short-handed Marchand, and a save made by McElhinney. Interceding and having to steer in front of his own net haphazardly there was Hamilton. Along it's taken now by Marchand. Right out in front. The feed from McAvoy was blocked off by McElhinney. As the pass from Pastrnak was right to him. It's McAvoy around, and the scramble in front on the try by Bergeron. Fed away by the defense, carried back up again by Stahl. Number 4. Brought back ahead for a little pass across. Moving on in is Williams. Oh, and that just so casually swatted out of the air like a guy catching a fly in baseball.
It's remarkable how comfortable this guy is in net. There's a turnover here by Carlo just outside the blue line, and Carolina makes good use of it. He gets good look at the puck. Rask may have flipped a little bit on Williams, but I mean that's just way too easy for Rask. I mean he's got to be in their heads by now, Brian.
Guided back out to center by DeBrusque falls. Roaring right back in with it is Teravainen, and a shot, and it went wide. Krug, Pastrnak, Marchand, Bergeron, and DeBrusque. Handed back to Marchand with an opening up the wing and a shot. Score! Tapped by Pastrnak.
Talk about getting the puck with good possession on the entries on the power play, and the Bruins do right there. The pass from Krug, Pastrnak dishes it off to Marchand, and then he drives hard to the net, and Calvin DeHaan can't pick him up. This is a hard pass by Marchand, and Pastrnak had to be firm on the stick, but all he has to do is get it on the stick. A little overcommitment by McElhinney, and we've got ourselves a 1-0 game.
And the one thing I found as a goaltender is oftentimes you get your head set on that with a power play they're going to want to set things up. And you can really surprise a defense or a goaltender by trying to score off the rush. And we've seen the Bruins do it now multiple times in this series, scoring off the rush on the power play.
Gives it on back to DeHaan, then on to Aho, then to DeHaan again, walking on in, shot on it, glanced off of Rask and went wide, cleared back down by Corrali, and it will go for Leipzig. to Marchand and back to Pastrnak, and Grizzly connects with Pastrnak again. Wanted to swagger by, no luck with the follow-up. Bergeron to Pastrnak to Bergeron. He scores! Bergeron, a power play goal, and it's 2-0. About 20% of the house are Boston Bruins fans here tonight, and they are making some noise.
Good entry again for the Bruins. I mean, they really moved the puck well. Here's Marchand with a drop pass, and they just keep on going. 4 guys have touched the puck already. The move by Pastrnak doesn't work. A give and go. Far side pass, McElhinney. There's the denial, and the defense gets sort of caught up, and back and forth, Pastrnak to Bergeron. And that's a tough one for Carolina to swallow.
No chance for McElhinney on this one. You could just feel it in this hockey game. I mean, this top line really has had a lot of chances in this game, and the power play goal they scored earlier in this period off the rush, and then a great give and go feed right there. This was the fear for Rod Brind'Amour, is if this line got going, they've had the balance, but they've kept the top line quiet. If they got going, this was going to be a big problem for the Carolina Hurricanes, and it's proving to be that here tonight so far.
6 minutes into this period, and neither team has had a shot on goal. Along now comes Falk, and a shot to the corner. It is played along now for Svechnikov, trying to work it out in front, and that's stroked wide. Niederreiter able to take it away as McAvoy had fallen, and then Niederreiter went down, and then Williams to the back. And then a shot by Hamilton would not get through. But by him, and they say no icing here, so it is Slavin with a little over 9.5 to go. A turnover there, Pastrnak, down and out, score! Bergeron! And it's 3-0.
Now this line is going well, and so you don't really need to give them any help. And the Carolina Hurricanes, Jacob Slavin right there with the turnover, right on the stick of Pastrnak. Look at the presence of mind to find Bergeron for the layup goal, and that's pretty much all she wrote, Brian.
Yeah, and Slavin just trying to force it. I mean, he could have used the boards and just got it around on a rim to 2 of his players. He tried to force it through Bergeron and paid the price. And boy, what patience by Pastrnak, like you said, for McElhinney. He has no idea Bergeron's there on the back door. He just thinks Pasternak's going to rip it. He did not. And it gives the Bruins a very comfortable lead now here in this 3rd period.
Krug again. Pastrnak again. Off the back of Falk, trying to get free and pushing a stumbling shot wide was Marchand, and then he gets it behind, lays it on back to Backes. Backes right around in front. Oh, and he tried to set up Marchand, but it was punched just wide. Puck battled for by Krejci, dug out there by Bergeron, and starting ahead is Marchand. Net empty, score! And it's 4-0, and the line comes up with more points. Tuukka Rask has a shutout. 4-0 the score. 4-0 the sweep by his team. And Zdeno Chara, though injured, is in uniform and comes out for the celebration. So now it's time to celebrate getting to the Stanley Cup Final. There is one trophy presentation. Here is Wade Minter.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, National Hockey League Deputy Commissioner Bill Daly will present the Prince of Wales Trophy. Accepting the trophy are the Eastern Conference champion, Boston Bruins.
Just judging from the last 2 times we reviewed some of the video today, some teams will grab this trophy and carry it off. Others will not. Zdeno Chara was the captain the last 2 times. They gathered around for a picture just like this. Only Bill Daly, the deputy commissioner, is touching it. He's the only guy that's going to touch it. There are superstitions about these things. Hugs, hockey smiles, exhausted but victorious. and moving on to the next step. All a part of the joy of having done this tonight in 4 games and no practice tomorrow.